my phonics friends, and welcome to day 8 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on coming this far. I know that you're going to be improving your phonics skills, your reading skills, and hopefully you're having fun with me too. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Let's remind ourselves of our 5 focus sounds. We've got n, p, g, I, o. But obviously, I need you joining in as well. So, n, p, g, I, o. Excellent. Now it's going to be just your turn. Are we ready? Do you think we can do it quicker? I know you can. Woo! Do you think we can go even quicker than that? I think you can do it. Are we ready? Whew! Very quick, well done. And of course, we're not forgetting the sounds that we were exploring last week. Your turn, are we ready? Excellent. And I know you can do these ones quicker. Are you ready? Amazing. Do you think we can do them all together? Let's see. Really working our phonics brains now. Your turn. Ooh. Excellent, well done. Now, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the G sound. Now, the G sound is a short sound. G, G, G. But I want to hear you. G, G, G. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the G sound. Let's find some objects that start with the G sound. Right, my phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the G sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh, not again. I think we need our phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? Excellent. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Are we ready? Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see. For you. Now remember, yes if it starts with G, no if it doesn't. Are we ready? Glove. Yes. Dog. No. Gorilla. Yes. Pizza. No. Grapes. Yes. Excellent. Well done. Now I'm going to put them all back in and I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to go much quicker. Are you ready? Excellent, well done. That was very speedy. Now we're going to focus on our listening skills and practice our oral blending. Right, my phonics superstars, let's practice our oral blending. I sound it out and you say the word. Are we ready? G, A, P. Gap. G, O, T. Got. P, I, G. Pig. Excellent. That was amazing. Now let's practice our reading. Right, my phonics superstars, with our new G words, I'll sound them out first and then I want to hear you joining in. So, G, A, P, gap. Your turn. Gap. G, O, T, got. Your turn. Got. P, I, G, pig. Your turn. Pig. Right, now we've done them once. Just you this time. Are we ready? Gap. Got. Pig. Excellent. Right, do you think you're ready for a challenge? Our challenge word today is grunt. Now, a grunt is a low, short, deep sound that a pig might make. Right, are we ready? My turn first. G, R, A, N, T. Grunt. Your turn. Grunt. Excellent. Your turn again. Grunt. Well done. Now we're going to have a rewind and go over some of the words that we've looked at over the last couple of days. Right, I'm just going to have you sound these out. Are you ready? Pen. Pet. Well done. Now with this word, I'm just going to get it on the screen. See if you can read it. Are we ready? Nap. Well done. Let's sound it out. Well, you sound it out. Nap. Excellent. Now it's time to move on to our tricky words. Our new tricky word today is go. 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 Excellent. And let's look at some of the tricky words that we were looking at. Can we remember this one? Into. And this one? No. So we've got into, no. Let's put our new word into it. Are we ready? Go. Into. No. Go. Into. No. Excellent. There are a lot of words there, so well done. We are nearly at the end of day 8. Well done, my phonics superheroes, for coming this far. We're going to go over our focus sounds again, and then we're going to play our little game. So, me first. N, P, G, I, O. Your turn. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Oh, that was very fast. Well done. Now, I'm going to take some away. Right. Can you tell me which one is missing? I want to hear you saying them. Which one was missing? Good. Well done. Let me see. Which one am I going to take away now? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And one more I'm going to take away. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Oh, excellent. And we've done it. Day 8 completed. Well done, you. You are definitely becoming a phonics superhero and my reading superstars. So give yourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye.